Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, you are not yet know which specific Android smartphones will be the best to buy in 2023, as it is difficult to predict what new models will be released or what features they will offer. However, there are a few factors to consider when looking for a new smartphone that can help you make a good decision. Talk about the processor. A smartphone with a fast and powerful processor will be able to handle demanding tasks like gaming and multitasking more smoothly. Look for models with a Qualcomm Snapdragon or MediaTek Dimensity processor, as these are known for their high performance. Display. The display is an important factor to consider when choosing a smartphone, as it is the primary way you will interact with the device. Look for a smartphone with a high-resolution display, such as a 1080p or Quad HD resolution, for a clear and crisp image. You should also consider the size of the display and whether you prefer a larger screen or a more compact device. Camera. The camera is another important factor to consider when choosing a smartphone. Look for models with high-quality cameras that produce clear and detailed images, as well as any additional features like multiple lenses or low-light performance. It can be helpful to read reviews and compare the camera performance of different models. Battery life. A smartphone with a long-lasting battery can be very convenient, especially if you are frequently on the go. Look for models with a battery capacity of at least 4,000 mAh, and consider whether the device supports a fast charge and any power-saving features that can extend the battery life. Storage options. Make sure the smartphone you choose has enough storage for your needs. If you store a lot of music, photos, and apps on your device, you may want to look for a model with at least 64 GB of storage. Some smartphones also offer expandable storage options through the use of a microSD card, which can be a convenient way to add additional storage. Talking about the price. Decide on a budget and look for a smartphone that offers the best value for the price. Keep in mind that more expensive models may offer higher quality components and features, but there are also many affordable options that offer good performance and features for the price. Brand reputation. Consider the reputation of the brand when making your decision, as some brands are known for producing higher quality devices. Look for brands with a history of producing reliable and well-reviewed smartphones. In addition to these factors, it is also a good idea to check reviews and compare the features and specifications of different models before making a purchase. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.